Hello y'all, it's Glisten. Yeah. Today we're going to, I'm gonna quit the act. We're gonna be Glisten for today's video. And I'm gonna see some abnormal things today. What the heck? Joyride, joyride, I'm just looking for a good time tonight. I'm ready to make a path. What the Sigma is happening? What is this? What is this? What is this Pebble going? Oh my gosh, is that a depressed shrimpo? And oh my god, there's another Connie when there's a Connie over there. Now let's see what's happening over here. No, what? What the Sigma is that? Y'all, don't. If you guys say that, oh my god, that is me. I'm Twisted Gigi. No, you're not. You just reveal your real username, please. I hate RP names. Y'all, don't claim to be those people because that's just disrespect. And plus, I'm just becoming a Glisten for fun. I do not mean anything. What the Sigma is bro doing to me? No, just leave me alone. Leave me alone. Oh, hello. Y'all, please do not act like this is you, because like that's just wrong. And don't say that, oh, I'm the V, or like, no girl, that's not you. But if this is really you, then consider commenting so that, yeah. Who just said Haktua to me? And this is just my experience, y'all. I know this is gonna be a short video since nothing interesting will happen. Meanwhile, we could just take a look. Who the flip is it? Joyride, joyride. I'm just looking for a good time tonight. And plus, y'all, I can only talk when my kuya isn't sleeping, and yeah, I'm at Tagalog, and this is kind of fitting for me since Glisten is a gay. And why does she look like JJ from Coco Melon? I did not just roast Glisten like that. Oh nar, what the Sigma? What the heck? Let's pretend nothing just happened at this point. Wait, so if Glisten is a boy, then he is a gay. And y'all, I might go creepypasta hunting by myself if you all will agree. And if you all agree, goodbye, my account is dead. And plus, I won't do this on my actual account. I will just do it on my laptop. And I won't be able to catch footage, so yeah. I'm on my phone. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna make this a deal. So I play laptop with Minty when I am not recording, because it's so hard recording on a laptop because the screen is just I don't know. So yeah, that's why I have to record on the phone, which will be really painful, if you might agree. And I don't have Glisten yet, so yeah. And leave me alone, Shelly. Please leave me alone. I just wanna see my experience. How about we go to the warehouse?
You can latest visual video.
Ooh. Why is there a Shelly following me? Y'all, why is there a Shelly following me again? What is the chances? I don't know what are the chances, but let's just not get into it. Now, I'm alone in the warehouse, so I don't know if I either encounter. Why did this guy scare the flip out of me? Stop following me, V! Stop! Stop following me. Nar. Nar! Run away from me. Run away from me. Run away from me. Or you'll lose. Hide away from me. Hide away from me. Hide away with me. Or you'll lose. Y'all, let's pretend that this is floor 17, okay? Look, I don't know Daddy's road that much. Is this Moonflower? Is this Moonflower I'm seeing? Huh? Aw, he looks so confident, not good. Nar! It's the Shine Break Diamond person. Let's go back to the lobby. I know there's more stuff like that. What the Sigma? Bro's name is Sky when Bro's Flutter? What the Sigma is happening? That's gonna... What is Bro doing? What is Bro doing to a Shelly door? No, just... no. POV, almost every single shippers of Boxten. Oh my god, hello Boxten. I watch you every move. I'm watching you. What the Sigma is Bro on about? Alright, what is Dandy selling? Rocks? How epic! We get to have rocks. Now, that's it for today's video. I know you've seen a bunch of crazy stuff, and that's it for my experience as Glisten. Bye.